Hi, I'm Emily Louise Connor and I am the Creative Director for Razzamataz Theatre Schools. Today we are here at the first of our Creative Development Days 2025, which is where we're bringing together all of our schools across the national network to upskill, to learn, to grow, to challenge and to collaborate. We always say that we are asking our students to step out of their comfort zones, and that's where the magic happens, and that's exactly what we're doing today.
This year I've been delivering 2 workshops, designing a dynamic drama class, and the second one was beyond the notes, so making an authentic performance and sort of looking at acting through song and ways to approach that for students.
It's such an honour to be here, I'm so excited. I will be taking a commercial workshop but teaching how we can build confidence through commercial dance. I'll then be moving on to a breathwork and mindset session, which I think is an integral part of what I'm doing and why I'm here today.
I think today is super important because it's your team are learning. So everything that we know and we do from a head office point of view that they give to principals is then giving that back to the team and just making them see the bigger picture.
Talking to all of the other principals and all the other staff members and hearing what they've got to say about behaviour management and different techniques they've got, it's really good to kind of put all those minds together.
The opportunity to learn from specialists was a really important thing for me. Although I'm the drama teacher, actually the acting through song stuff is so relevant throughout drama.
We've had an absolutely incredible day.
It's been super inspiring already.
It's such an amazing thing to do.
Just go for it. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, and don't be afraid to take steps that you think, oh, is this quite right? Should I do this? And should I do it? Just do it.
If you would love to know more about what we do in the Razzamataz network, then please get in contact with us, and you can join us on a day like today where we bring everyone together. Creatives in one space is so incredibly powerful.